Margot Velez is formerly homeless. She now has housing and says it was very hard to find a place to rent.
When I'm only making $16 an hour, that's impossible. To make 3 times the rent of an average of $2,200 a month for rent, and you can't get anything. And I had 2 children.
Now with the Homeless Experienced Advocacy and Leadership Network, she says having a place to live is critical for mental and physical health.
It's very important to have a home where you can have a decent meal, you can clean yourself.
The average San Diego rent is $2,479 a month. The California Housing Partnership's annual Affordable Housing Needs Report says renters need to earn nearly 3 times the city's minimum wage, or $47.67 an hour, to afford the average rent. That's up 10% from 2022.
These are people we're talking about. These are people's lives, and these are people who go to bed with anxiety every night because they don't know what the future holds for them.
They include many frontline workers. The average wage for San Diego childcare workers, for example, is $18.24 an hour, and medical assistants earn $23.37 an hour on average. San Diego Housing Federation President and CEO Stephen Russell says Mayor Todd Gloria's proposed budget cuts to the city's housing commission could make the problem worse.
If they make some of the cuts they're proposing, it could mean that services would be denied to folks who are currently relying on, like, rental subsidies. So I would say you'd see a direct increase in homelessness as a result of some of these cuts, and you would see a lowering of production. Almost immediately, new projects would not move forward.
The San Diego City Council could see a revised budget as soon as next week. Melissa Mae, KPBS News.